Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to print high-quality, large-format documents with ease, whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer. The HP DesignJet T210 large 24-inch color plotter printer is here to revolutionize the way you work. With its impressive range of features and user benefits, this printer is a game-changer for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. One of the standout features of the HP DesignJet T210 is its ability to handle a wide range of media sizes. With the capacity to print up to 24-inch wide media rolls and up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the optional automatic sheet feeder accessory, you'll be able to tackle even the most complex projects with confidence. Whether you're working on technical line drawings, renders, posters, maps, or professional sewing patterns, this printer has got you covered. The automatic horizontal cutter also makes it easy to cut your prints to size, saving you time and effort. Another key benefit of the HP DesignJet T210 is its simplicity and cost-effectiveness. With the ability to print multi-size projects automatically, you'll no longer need to waste time manually switching the media source. This not only saves you time, but also reduces ink waste, with the printer using 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers. This means you can focus on what really matters, creating high-quality prints that impress. The cost savings don't stop there, either. By using the HP DesignJet T210, you'll also reduce paper waste, making it a more sustainable option for your printing needs. But what really sets the HP DesignJet T210 apart is its included HP Click software. This intuitive software makes it easy to simplify your printing workflow, saving you time, ink, and paper waste. With features like PDF error checking, alerts, and auto-nesting, you can predefine your print settings and easily print files by simply dragging and dropping them. The HP Click driver is also integrated with your workflow, allowing you to print directly from your design and common CAD applications. This means you can focus on creating rather than wasting time trying to get your prints to work. Whether you're working with PDF, JPEG, TIFF, DWF, HBGL/2, or PNG files, the HP DesignJet T210 has got you covered. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T210 large 24-inch color plotter printer is an incredible piece of technology that is sure to revolutionize the way you work. With its impressive range of features, including media size handling, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness, as well as its included HP Click software, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, this printer is sure to impress. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP DesignJet T210 today and start printing like a pro. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your printing game. Click the link now and discover the power of the HP DesignJet T210 for yourself. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. With its unparalleled quality, ease of use, and cost-effectiveness, this printer is sure to inspire you to create something truly amazing. So go ahead, take the first step, and join the ranks of the printing elite. Your prints will thank you.